Hey guys, so we decided to get out and explore Elmer Oliver Park and Nature Trail today. And we decided to bring you guys along with us. We'll show you what we got going later. She's here. We were discussing our t-shirt business a little earlier, so she got a lot on her mind. We'll square it away later on. So guys, off the bat, I can tell you this is a really nice park. We just got into it, really not even very far. You can see our cars just right over there. We're not very far into the park at all. And we found a nice, beautiful little pristine. The water's clear. You can see through the water. It's aerated. And you can see over there where that lady is, there's another part of the trail. We're gonna get to exploring the trail and let you guys see what's here at Oliver Park. So guys, while out on the trail, there is a really pristine, beautiful neighborhood right on the other side over here with multi-million-dollar homes. And this bridge, for some reason, I can come through that side on the Mansfield side, but this side is closed because of some litigation. Now, I hate to make assumptions because, you know, assumptions, you can be wrong, and I've heard that you can make an ass out of you and me when you make assumptions, but the people in that neighborhood paid for privacy and exclusivity. This bridge most likely violates, in their mind, their privacy and exclusivity that they paid for, because now you can just come into their neighborhood through the back side of it. So anyway, I think that's pretty faulty. That's pretty fraudulent on their side, if that's the argument, but whatever. People do what they want. I'm gonna continue to explore the rest of the park. See, wifey's over there waiting on me. All right, guys, so we made it to this little overlook, and I'm telling you, there's a sitting area because it's a little bit of a hike to get on over here, but check out this view, man, from up here. So guys, it's getting to be really nice weather here in North Texas, so lots of families are getting out and taking advantage of this weather. This is a beautiful day, like several others. And here's more water, another small pond in this natural preserve area that we're in. Let me turn it around so you can get a view of what I'm seeing here. guys, this is Monitor Windmill. It was original to this area to help pump water, even though some windmills were used for, to run machinery and all. This one in particular was used to pump water. Now in this area, this one no longer pumps water, but a new well has been dug for that little pond over there to provide water to this area and keep it flowing. But this was an actual windmill that was actually used to pump water. Such a cool part of Texas history. And I think you guys should come check this park out if you get a chance. So guys, this raised platform that you can see stretches pretty far from that end all the way through the prairie grassland area. This is to display, it's raised first of all, so as not to disturb and create a crazy walkway through here. But it also gives you a great view of what prairie and grasslands look like. So another great aspect to this park for you guys to be out here and check out. Really cool little bird houses all over this park. I'm sure somebody built them and donated them to this area, or probably just came out here and put them up. But you see all different types all around this area. It's really cool to see. Safe haven for the birds. So when it comes to the safety aspect of this park, guys, you can see right here, if you just in trouble and you need to call for the authorities for help, you can tell them exactly where you're at in this park. So this is a really cool thing. So guys, there's tons of technology in this park. Even though we're out in the middle of nowhere, these are composting toilets. So over there is a solar tower. It uses solar electricity to come in the bottom of this thing with a liquid and generate compost. So then that compost can in turn be used around the area. So again, to making a positive impact on nature, what a great way to use technology to create something usable for the environment. Love it. So guys, one of the coolest aspects to this park is the solitude that you're able to find. If you just sit in a quiet area and just listen to nature, you can hear the wind blowing in the trees. You can hear all different types of squirrels and chipmunks and whatever is around this area. Bobcats sometimes come through here, foxes, coyotes, but it's the little ground animals, squirrels and birds chirp and all different types of birds. And you can just sit in an area like this, find your own little peaceful corner and sit here, soak up some vitamin D. When the sun is shining on you, it recharges your body. So our motive, if you notice, we get out and we explore parks in Texas as much as often, because we believe that a lot of people can cure some of the issues they have with some sunlight and get out to the park. So we call this Parks Over Pills. This is Parks Over Pills, guys. Explore your local area, find out what's right there around you, how much fun you can have close to you. Parks Over Pills. We headed to the car. So guys, this neighborhood is one of the neighborhoods that I was talking about where they don't want you in their area. Put up these signs and stuff to keep you from coming into their space because they're rich, and you know, that's the image they give. They might be nice people, who knows, because I don't know any of them. But they definitely don't want you in their neighborhood, which is why those signs are up. Even go as far as to tell you violators are be prosecuted for just walking into that space. So that's one of the downsides to this park, but don't let that deter you from coming over here because it's still a beautiful park. And I want to give a special thank you to the Parks and Recreation Department for even creating this space. Yeah, we already went over that way. That's the Overlook. So guys, we headed back to the car now. Time to go grab some lunch, head home, do some relaxing. Matter of fact, continue to work on our t-shirt business that we recently launched, right? Quick little meeting, and then enjoy the rest of the day. How about that? So we made it back to the car. You like the park? Mm-hmm. Great day. Elmer W. Oliver Nature Park is the name of this place. It is definitely some place that everybody should visit if you're in the North Texas area, especially, you know, Grand Prairie, Mansfield area. You want to visit this park. Plenty of restrooms all throughout, tons of sea, tons of nature, bridges, overpasses, trails, overlooks, water. Thumbs up. Great day at the park. Remember guys, get out, explore your local area, see what's going on around you, and we choose parks over pills. Peace.